The river linking project, seen here, is an unprecedented engineering challenge, connecting the nation's vital waterways.
All right, keep it coming to the left. Watch the grade on the fill.
Keep that line straight, Dozer 4. We need to clear this ridge before the next shift arrives.
Check the reading on the tablet. We have a discrepancy near the boundary.
Copy that. Rerunning the laser scan now.
Keep the line moving. We need more fill at Sector 4. Move the truck closer. Watch the edge.
Filling now. Hold position.
Watch the wall. Bring the beam down slowly. Hurry up. Secure the base.
We have to evacuate! Hurry up, this way! Watch out for the current!
We need more pressure on pump 4. Get that valve open now.
Keep the alignment steady.
The thickness is good here.
Signal the next pour.
Keep it coming slowly now. Watch the edge over there. It's getting high. Slowly now, guide it to the mark. We are clear on the left, boss. Hold it right there. Hold it. Bring it down, easy now. Watch the alignment on this side. All right, bring it down 5 meters. 5 meters, understood.
The thrust is peaking. We're hitting granite.
Reduce pressure by 200 bars. Keep the rotation steady.
We need to verify the sealant on this expansion joint.
The BIF specifications say it should be fully cured by now.
Are the teams ready for the pressure test next week?
This mega canal, built by BIF, is one of the largest water transfer schemes ever attempted. It will transform the landscape.
We have a surge in Sector 3. Reroute auxiliary controls. Done. The flow is normalizing now. Confirmed. Pressure stabilizing.
All right, lift sequence initiated. Watch the pressure differential. Copy that. Flow looks good at the base.
Stop here. Let's check the stress points on the lower embankment. All right, lowering the basket now. Watch the rebar, move it quickly. Okay, bringing the next one over now. Careful near the edge.
Flow rate is increasing rapidly. Adjust the secondary sluice. The pressure on gauge 4 is fluctuating again.
I see it. Open the bypass valve slowly, and we need to stabilize the flow before the storm hits.
We have achieved full rotation speed.
The water transfer volume is stable at maximum capacity.
The pressure on gauge 4 is reading low.
I see that, logging it now. Check the valve at junction 6. The structural integrity looks good on this section. My readings align with that assessment. Let's move to the next quadrant.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch the edge. Clear on this side. Keep coming down. Looks good. Easy now.
The flow rate in the northern grid is exceeding the threshold.
Reroute the excess capacity towards the Rajasthan reservoirs immediately.
Monitor the flow rate right here.
I see it.
Sir.
It's holding steady at 90%.
Apply torque to bolt 7.
Reading steady at 500.
Acknowledged. Move to the next one.
We need another 5 degrees on the main valve. Watch that gauge closely.
Confirmed. Opening slowly.
The pressure readings are stabilizing.
Confirmed. The system test was successful.
We need more pressure on line 4. Open the main valve. Opening it now. Keep the levels steady.
We've got a significant stress fracture here at junction 12.
Confirmed. I've logged the coordinates. Let's keep moving to the next section. Open the lower gate.
Copy that. Flow rate increasing.
Open the gate to channel 4 immediately.
Confirmed. Opening. Confirmed. Levels are holding steady.
The storm is here. Everybody clear the deck.
Move! Get to shelter!
The water's rising too fast!
We need to get to higher ground now.
Get everyone back from the spillway!
The water is rising too fast. Move it now. The inflow rate just spiked in Sector Gamma. We're exceeding projections.
Acknowledge. Initiate Phase 2 protocols immediately and reroute upstream sensors.
We are fully operational.
Acknowledged. All systems green. Gate fully open, pressure holding steady. Keep monitoring vibration levels downstream.
All gates open, flow rate steady at 5,000 QMEX.
Confirmed Sector 4. Maintain current levels.
The gate is compromised. We need to divert upstream now.
Did you hear that? We have to move.
The water level is still rising. Increase the flow rate on pump 3 now.
Pull the rope tighter on your end. We're losing the slab. Move the crane now.
Watch the surge. It's rising fast. Secure that barrier.
Lower the gate slowly.
Copy that. Gate is moving down.
Reservoir levels in Sector 4 are stable.
Confirmed. Initiating flow adjustment sequence.
Check the stress levels right here on the grid line. It looks unstable. Gauge reading critical levels on pump 4.
We have a major vibration issue. Requesting immediate assistance.
The input pressure is fluctuating again.
My analysis confirms the sensor reading.
I'm almost at the access panel now.
The levels are rising at Weir 3. Initiate emergency protocols and divert the excess volume immediately.
Gauge is critical. Open the spillways immediately. Roger that. Opening gate 4. Watch the pressure on the east side.
Maintain flow rate at 20,000 cusecs. All units, check stability.
BIF control confirms stable outflow.
The BIF Mega Canal, a triumph of modern engineering, stretches for hundreds of kilometers across the arid plains of India.
All gates are fully open on schedule. Water flow is steady. We can proceed with the inspection.
Unbelievable volume today. Are the south gates fully open?
Confirmed. We're pushing record levels through the BIF system.
Compuerta abierta. Flujo completo.
Copiado. Monitoreen la presión. Cambio.
The flow rate is stabilizing.
Excellent. BIF ensures consistent delivery to the next sector.
The water level here is still too low.
We will adjust the upstream gate immediately.
Check the pressure on gate 4. We had a fluctuation earlier. It seems stable now, but I'll monitor it closely as you suggested. The flow rate on the Brahmaputra is exceeding predictions. Reroute the excess capacity to the western grid immediately.
The supply is reliable from today.
We finally have clean water.
Yes, BIF has done good work.
The pressure is fluctuating too much here. We need to adjust the intake gate. The pressure is fluctuating too much here. We need to adjust the intake gate.
This interconnected network, realized by the hard work of thousands, ensures prosperity and a brighter tomorrow for all of India.